You can say hi though.
Hello. Hello.
Okay.
Yes, quite for sure.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved finger coils on my fiance Corey's hair. He has like a 3C for a hair texture. So I'm going in with the Up North Naturals Freshen Up Mist. I really love these products, especially for his hair. Then I'm going with their go-to hydrating hair milk, just to really give his hair some moisture. And then I'm going to seal in that moisture with some oil. And I'm using their 8 oil blend, which I love. And I'm just making sure that every hair strand on his head gets all the moisture and all of the oil. And yes, we were watching the raid on the Capitol, so just ignore the TV. Then I'm going in with my Denman brush and I'm combing out his hair to make sure there's no tangles. Obviously his hair is really short, so there really weren't many tangles, but I just felt like this was a step that I couldn't skip because it also helps all the product get on every single hair strand as well. I'm going in with her Curl Ease styling lotion to kind of get his hair ready for curls. It's not the kind of lotion that would be a styler in his hair, but it just kind of prepares his hair for curls. Our styler today is actually going to be the Mousse Def Mousse. So I'm just going ahead and I'm putting it through all of his hair, and then I'm going to start off with my finger coils. As you guys can see, I'm basically just taking a small to medium sized piece of hair, and I'm basically separating it from the rest of his hair, and I am wrapping the hair around my finger. It is kind of difficult because his hair is short, so you might have to wrap it around a few times. And so since I think it's easier to learn by watching, I'm actually going to be quiet now and just let you guys watch and see how I do it. So what I'm kind of doing here towards the end is I'm taking any finger coils that I think are too large or just too clumped, because you guys can see his scalp a little bit, and I'm separating them into smaller sections so that less scalp is being shown. Now to finish up and give him some shine, I'm using some argan oil spray. I think this is by the company OGX. I will put the spray down in the description. But it just gives him some shine and also just seal in the moisture as well. So these are the results. I'm sorry for the horrible camera angle. But yeah, it looks really good. If you want more defined curls, you can use a gel instead of a mousse, but Corey didn't like the crunchiness of the gel, so we decided to go with the mousse and it wasn't crunchy at all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you don't miss another video.